Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I am unboxing these little lamps that I got for my living room. Guys, they're absolutely gorgeous. Keep watching, stay tuned. This is a very short video and you'll see. I won't show you how I'm going to put them up in this video because I want to keep it short and spicy. So I'm just showing you what the lights look like and unboxing it. If it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, and I want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. I know I haven't been uploading, but I'm gonna try. I'm trying to see if I could upload as much as I can. I do have content, but just have a busy lifestyle and a busy schedule working plus and stuff. So here goes the two lamp. It's like two lamps in that one little box, and they're absolutely gorgeous. It's a gold and black, and if you guys haven't seen my fireplace makeover video as yet, go ahead and check that out, because these two lights are going, I bought them, is to be on that same wall that the fireplace is at. So keep watching, you'll see what the fireplace look like at the end. And again, if you haven't seen how I do so, or you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check that out. So there goes the bottom part of the light. Sometimes I didn't think I'm crazy because I'm up in their house and I'm not in that phone. I'm talking to myself. I think I'm talking to the camera, but whatever, I switched that out and I decided to do a voiceover because I probably was talking a bunch of nonsense, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, there goes my light system. Now this light, you could install it two way. You could put it on the wall and plug the whatever, that piece of cord or plug or whatever it is to the wall, or you could take that off and actually have it wired into the wall where you use like a light switch to switch it on and off. But I'm not going to do that part where you take that part out and do the light switch on and off, because I feel like, if I want to move it or I want to change it in the future, it shouldn't be a big problem. Again, if you haven't seen that video about my fireplace, go ahead and check that out. As for those who have seen that video, the fireplace wall is black, so it's just gonna fit perfect. Plus, you guys gotta stay tuned because I can't wait to decorate. And I can't decorate, guys, because I still have more work going. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen. The kitchen is not done. I'm having some rough time here with this kitchen, but with Christ in the vessel, there's a smile at the storm. So right now we're on hold with the kitchen, and stuff. So once that's done downstairs, we could get along and start decorating. But there goes the light. Yeah, you could pop it up, you could fold it down. So that's what I'm showing you. Up, down, whatever. And I don't know why I'm walking closer to the camera, because I thought you guys couldn't see, but I'm looking at this right now. I'm like, yeah, you can see. It's not a problem. They can see, Shayna. They can see. So here goes the wall with the fireplace. Like I said, if you guys haven't seen that, that's what it looks like. And here I am with my career stuff. I was gonna try to install it that night, but I just got home from work. I'm tired. So stay tuned, guys, to see what it looks like when I'm done. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'll see you in the next video.